I remember the year when there was a snowstorm, and yet all the RPCVs who had decided to come still showed up. And many of the people on the Hill were not in their offices, but there were still staff. And in essence, though, it became a benefit to us because since there wasn't much action going on, the representatives or their staffers were able to spend much more time with us. So we had quite a day, and I think much more effective day than this quick talk and run. So it was to our advantage eventually.